Hey guys, it's your girl Stitched by Sophie. I'm excited to be here. I hope you guys are excited to be here. And you guys can see I'm super lazy. We're recording in my room. Until I feel like it, we're recording in my room. But today's video is going to be really quick and brief. It's pretty much a tutorial on how I achieve this look. It's super sleek and bougie looking, you know. But at the same time, it's like messy. So I was like, ooh, what's she up to? So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. So the hairstyle that I'm going to do today shall last me about 2 days until it's my official wash day. So I'm just going to grab my rat tail comb, which has the metal tip, and I'm just going to do a center part right down the middle of my head. Well, I'm not going to go all the way back, just really deep though. So after I achieve my desired part, I'm just going to grab my water bottle. It's just filled with some warm water, and I'm just going to spritz my hair wherever I plan to apply gel. The water loosens up the hair and makes it a bit more flexible, so it's easier to lay down when I do finally apply the gel. Using a large paddle brush, I'm just gonna simply just like brush through the hair. I'm not trying to detangle everything, but I do want to detangle a bit just so that when I do apply the gel and brush it, it lays down flat and smooth. I did feel that certain areas of my hair was still really dry, so I'm just gonna add a bit more water. Now getting into my classic Eco Styler gel. Yeah, I'm trying to get a good angle. I'm just going to literally take glops of it and apply it all around my hair, as far as like the edges, where the part is. I'm just going to slather it on because I do need a very generous amount to lay my hair down, being that you guys can see it's pretty kinky. I do have 4C hair. It doesn't look like it now just because I literally took out my braids a few hours ago, so my hair is pretty much stretched. But if you watch my other videos, you know I have some 4C hair, so I need all the product I can get. Now I'm gonna grab this hard ass brush. Like, I dead ass hate this brush, y'all, just because it's so hard. But in instances like this, it's my best friend. Like, you see, look at that. Look at that. I wouldn't get that with a soft brush. So this is the only time in my life I choose to torture myself in such a manner. And I'm trying to like save face right now. Like, I'm in pain. Like, this brush hurts, but it's getting the job done. Get you one. Now I'm gonna grab my handy dandy scrunchie. Like, for this, especially if you have really thick hair, you need a good scrunchie, because the worst feeling is finally getting your hair into a really tight ponytail and then the scrunchie pops. So I purchased the scrunchie from Target. It came with quite a few. I don't remember the brand, but it has a whole lot of stretch, and to this day, like, I probably purchased it probably a month ago, and I have not dealt with any of them popping, so I'm super excited about it. I really wish I could remember the brand, but try it out. Like, I don't know, go to Target and pull on some scrunchies until you find one that doesn't pop.
Good morning. So I am just gonna remove my headscarf. I like the way you laid down. Like, it could have been sleeker, but I ain't got time. So anyways, I'm just gonna use this pack here that I'm gonna show you guys. I purchased this when I did some crocheting like months ago, and I like the kinky texture, so I'm gonna use a paddle brush to kind of fluff it out some more so that it looks a bit more closer to my actual hair texture. So I'm low-key just gonna make a nappy, right? And now I'm going to add it onto my bun. So I'm not removing that gold piece that you saw there, just because I don't really care to, and I'm just gonna wrap it around my bun to the best of my ability to hide all of my hair, but making really nice, cute. I do want it kind of messy. That's just the look that I'm going for. Really sleek in the front, messy in the back, and you can pretty much do what you want.
Watching, and I'll see you guys next week.